Scholars have debated the authenticity of the Shroud of Turin for over a century with no end in sight. Your lecturer, Tom Devins, prefers action over talk. He traveled to Tibet and studied the practices of people who for centuries have died and, like Jesus, left no corpse behind. The phenomenon is known as rainbow body. It clarifies resurrection and demystifies the shroud. Western scholars trapped in non-debatable religious doctrine and old-school science lack the capacity to absorb the results. The scholarly debate continues. In response, Tom developed Shroud University, a lecture series that reveals what he discovered in Tibet. In it, you will find that resurrection is the natural way the human body is designed to exit the planet, and the shroud is not a religious relic. It is a world treasure that speaks to the true nature of reality. Every human being needs to know about it.